step we need is to load some data into Elasticsearch. And for this, we are going to use bulk API. As you know, with bulk API, we can send multiple types of requests to Elasticsearch on various indexes. But in our case, we just need to add some documents to an index. Okay, so let's bring the terminal, go to directory called Hive, and then es to Hive. And there you will see three different types of files. And we have data file called candidate.json. So this is the bulk request file. Here you can see that we are creating an index called research and also adding a type called candidate. Then we are creating different documents under that type candidate. Okay, and this is a fictitious data I just crafted. It holds information about various candidates who are eligible to work under research department. Okay, now in order to load this data into Elasticsearch, we need to use curl command as we learned in earlier lessons. So the curl command is in this file called upload to es.curl. It's a simple post command, and only thing you need to note is underscore bulk, which indicates this is a bulk request. Okay, and it is using the data file candidate.json. So what this command will do is it will load a candidate.json file to Elasticsearch, and then Elasticsearch will run each of the commands in that file. Okay, so let's run the curl command. Okay, and we can do that by entering period slash and the file name. Okay, enter. As you can see, we got status equal to 201, indicating that the file is loaded successfully. Okay, and all these commands have 201, so each of the document is added successfully. So this is fine. We didn't get any errors. Good. All right, so let's check this. We can check this data in our Elasticsearch using Head plugin. Okay, so let me bring the browser and just refresh it. As you can see, we have the index research and it has 11 documents. To look at the documents, let's go to browser, scroll down to your index, which is a research, scroll up. So as you can see, the index and type has all these records created, and these are the ones which we sent in bulk API request. Okay, there are 11 records. In next step, we will create a Hive table and connect that Hive table to this index and type, and then we will run some queries, some SQL like queries on this data. Okay, all right, so I see you in next class.